Hi, if you want to turn on Dolby Atmos on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, all you have to do is open settings on your phone and here scroll down to find this tab sound and vibration. Now after that, scroll a bit more and choose sound effects. And in sound effects setting, you need to allow some permissions first if you are opening it for the first time. And now just choose sound effect, and here if you wanna enable Dolby Atmos, simply tap this option so it will light up blue and you'll see this check mark near the feature. And you can enable it for more like immersive sound experience and for better sound quality. So from Xiaomi Sound, switch to Dolby Atmos and enjoy listening music. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.